I'll be showing you the top free Shopify apps for beginners. I have 7 apps lined up that are all completely free and great for starting out on your Shopify store. Before I dive into it, I want to say if you're looking for the ultimate no-code theme designed to increase conversions in any niche, I want to introduce you to Conversion King. It's my very own Shopify theme that's packed with over 20 plus conversion boosting features, saving you up to $1,944 a year on recurring app subscriptions. There's a 14-day free trial where you can test it out for free, and you can even generate sales without paying a single penny during your free trial. There's a link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. For our first free app for beginners, it's going to be Shopify Inbox. This was built by Shopify themselves, and it makes it really easy to connect with your customers or potential customers. I've done a video tutorial on how to set this up on the channel, but it makes it really easy to chat with customers and group all their conversations. And it also has things built in such as an instant answer section where customers can find out what they're looking for extremely quickly without even having to talk to anyone. If we take a look at the demo store here, if we click on chat, we can see you can write a message to the store owner and you have your instant answers. So it's a well-designed chat app. And according to this stat here, quicker responses can increase conversions by up to 69%. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.7 stars with 4.5 thousand 5-star reviews. Next up, we have Judge.me product reviews app, and it's one of, if not the most popular app on the Shopify App Store. It makes it super easy to collect reviews on autopilot and then display them on your Shopify store. So you can choose from a variety of widgets, showcase different metals, and do both photo and video reviews. It also helps you to share those reviews on social media, helping to build trust, and you can stand out in Google search results on things such as Google Shopping, where your review stars can show up. And although there is a paid plan, if you want more integrations, it has an extremely generous free plan that gives you unlimited review requests, unlimited photo and video reviews, as well as a carousel widget. In terms of reviews from other Shopify merchants, it has a perfect 5 stars with 36,000 5-star reviews. Now, if you're just starting out on Shopify, you know you need to go and market your products. And the TikTok Shopify app makes it really easy to help reach more shoppers and grow your business with both TikTok ads and TikTok Shop. So it's going to integrate tightly with your store to make it really easy to create TikTok ads in minutes and optimize performance with easy one-click TikTok pixel integration. If you're not sure what a pixel is, it's basically just going to help track the actual purchases and results from visitors who go to your store. And this is a completely free app, but you obviously have to pay if you're spending on ads on TikTok, but this is going to be built directly in your TikTok ads account. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 23,000 5-star reviews, and merchants appreciate its user-friendly interface and seamless Shopify integration. Similar to the TikTok app, we have the Facebook and Instagram app from Meta, and this is their own official app that lets you seamlessly manage your Facebook and Instagram presence from one place, and it makes it easy to connect your Facebook account and provide data sharing. It also makes the syncing for Facebook Shop and Instagram Shop extremely easy. You also get results on sales from these platforms. It also gives you a chat widget where you can use Facebook Messenger to communicate with customers. And it helps to drive better ad performance by setting up your conversion pixel, which allows for more accurate tracking if you are running meta ads. Next up, we have an app that's going to make it easier for customers to find things on your store, and that's Shopify Search and Discovery. This lets you customize search, filtering, and product recommendations so you can enhance your product's relevance and sell more. So it gives you things such as customizable filters, you can make synonym groups so product descriptions match the terms shoppers use, and you can add related and complementary products on product detail pages. In terms of reviews, sitting at a really good 4.6 stars with 925 5-star reviews. Merchants highly praise this app for its enhancing the shopping experience and boosting sales with features like cross-selling and advanced search functionality. This is going to be especially useful if you are a larger Shopify store with a lot of products. Next up, we have another app developed by Shopify, and it's going to allow you to sell with a buy button on just about any site if they go and copy this HTML code over. It makes it super simple to set up these buy buttons, whether it's for a specific product or a collection page, and then you can embed this on any site. So let's say you have a blog or a similar site where you want to embed your Shopify products. You can embed them right on the site rather than having to just send a link to your store that might be set up with just hyperlink text. So this is going to look quite a bit nicer. I have a full video as well on how to actually set this up, so make sure you check that out on the channel if you're interested. Lastly, we have a free app that's going to help your Shopify store collect emails and phone numbers from visitors, and overall, this should help to boost sales as it's going to give you more contact methods, and you don't have to pay for these additional emails sent out as you already have their contact information. So whether it's pop-ups, banners, smart bars, and more, this allows you to grow your subscriber list. And it's a simple yet fully customizable smart pop-up bar and email editor, so you can customize it to match your Shopify store. And you can grow and sync your contact list with Shopify using this app here. In terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.9 star rating and 11,000 5-star reviews. And merchants highly recommend this tool for boosting email signups and reducing cart abandonment, praising its user-friendly interface and customizable templates that easily align with brand identities. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, and it's going to integrate with all your different ad platforms and many cost of goods sold providers like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and more. You can get a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics that are going to allow you to make smarter business decisions. And you can test drive everything for yourself with a 15-day free trial. You can find it in the Shopify App Store. If you search Profit Calc and look for this logo here, you can find it there. And there's also a link in the description below where you can access the Shopify app listing directly. This concludes the video here on the top free apps for beginners. I hope you enjoyed this selection, and if you did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. So I want to mention Conversion King one more time. There's a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.